How to trim and split footages like Pro in Capcut. So if you want to trim and split the footages, then what you need to do is first you need to search for Capcut and open up the Capcut application. And after that, go with Create Project, go with Import, which is on the upper left, and choose the videos or images that you would like to add to your project. Once you've selected, you can simply drag and drop them to the bottom. And if you want to trim the videos, then what you need to do is you can simply select the video that you would like to trim. So for example, I'll be selecting the first part and I don't want this rest of the part, the left part. So if you want to trim that, then what you need to do is just select the video, make sure to select it, and you need to go with split, which is right here. Simply click on split and it will be split, right? So if you want to trim that, then you can simply go with the unwanted video part and then go with delete and it will be deleted. In the same way, you can again trim the last part of your video, go with split and select the part that you would like to delete and then go with delete. And it's the same with other videos. So if you want to split, just simply go with the part and then split and again split. In this way, you'll be able to split that. And if you want to trim, then simply select the part that you would like to trim, go with delete. So that's how you can trim or split the videos in Capcut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.